I don't know if I hit her then. We all have faith you'll die. The question is how much. Probably quite a few, eh? Oh my god.
Why could thou
Oh
not let us
no.
be? Didst thou not see what Ariamis created?
Pull a stick
this
parry
world?
on Priscilla. Alright, round 5. Fight. Ouch. Okay. What's up, that hair guy? Hairy guy. Sorry. Oh my god, are you serious? I landed right on him. Ouch. Oh crap. Oh, really? Quick, get the fuck in the miss. Thank you. Fog, miss. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, she does move pretty quick. Oh, what the hell? What? Axe to your head. Yep, I've met Priscilla. Oh no. Have I seen the movie Snatch? Yeah, I think I have a few years ago. If it's an English comedy one. I think the guy in it is one of the dudes in the movie is the guy who plays as the new Doctor Doom. Spoiler alert. Wiggle. Oh shit. Noob triple dodge. That's pretty funny. Alright. Game face on.
What's it?
What? As if I just killed her. Cardinal, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the pain train. Oh shit, I know, I'm a monster. I did it. I did it. Oh shit. Hope. I guess I leave now. Nah, I didn't get to look it up yet, Jimothy. But I'm definitely gonna check it out. Those cats. That's quite funny. It's like where all the cats were meant to be. It's all lowercase. I've done that plenty of times. I did it. I've done that in streams where I've been timed out and banned for typing in caps. Caps don't bother me, so cap away. Yeah, I did it. I don't know how many times I hit her, but I did it. There's another boss in the area, so I just left for no reason. Time for bed? Nah. The floodgates have been opened. Yeah, well, it's not Moobot, it's Nightbot. I like him. Like, once I turn Nightbot on, I'll allow caps, but just don't overly spam the crap out of it. The revolving stairs again? I'll get it later. Okay. Oh wait. No, if there's another boss there. Oh, what am I doing? Shit. I'll wear caps on my head. You can blame yourself if you want, Timothy. There is not another boss there. Oh my god, okay. Flying Demon Air Orgy? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Can I have some hot cold tips for this boss? Yes, there is a boss. Guys, you troll motherfuckers, stop it. Don't die. Need a ring. Seance ring. Wood. Don't get killed. Alright. Catacombs? Wait. Make him kill her people. What the hell? Oh, shit. She needs to see the princess. No, go to the huge breast and shoot her. I have to kill the woman with the big boobs. Oh my god. Alright, let's go. Yes, I'm warping. Yeah, or you could shoot Tits McGee. What the fuck? Okay. What? Here? No, don't do it. Oh my god, I'm so confused. I don't know. Pimpin' said it. I guess I'll do it. I can't hit her anyway. Pimpin' is wrong. Oh shit.